everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these homemade dumplings and pot stickers. Let's get started! First, let's start marinating the meat. I have a pound of ground pork. Let's add salt in the meat. Let's grate the ginger. And let's grate the garlic as well. And let's add the soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of rice wine. The white pepper. 1 tablespoon sugar. And the sesame oil. Let's combine this. Gradually add water, 1 tablespoon at a time, and mix it well. This is perfect. And now let's chop the spring onions. And let's put the spring onions in the meat. Cover this with cling wrap and let's keep this in the fridge for 30 minutes to marinate the meat. And let's prepare the cabbage. Let's chop this into small pieces. Be patient, guys, we're almost there. Just keep chopping, just keep chopping. And now let's add the chopped cabbage into the meat. Nice, look at that. And let's mix this. And this is ready to wrap. Let's get started. Scoop a tablespoon of filling and place it in the center of the wrapper. And wet the edge of the wrapper using plain water. And pinch it right in the middle. And let's start the pleating. Fold and pinch. Fold and pinch. And fold and pinch. And press it gently to make sure that it's totally sealed. And let's do the other side. Fold in and pinch. Fold in and pinch, fold in and pinch, and secure those edges. Very nice, look at this, so pretty and very satisfying wrapping these dumplings. And I'm done wrapping, guys. This is the last one. Check this out, it's so pretty. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil in the pan and spread it around. Then let's start cooking our pot stickers. There you go. Nicely arrange them. Cook this for a while until you see this golden brown color. Then add 2 tablespoons of water. Cover and simmer this for 3 minutes. Smells good. And let those water evaporate. Then cover this with plate and flip it. Ta-da! Check out my homemade pot stickers. Looks delicious, guys. Yummy. Let's make the sauce. We need light soy sauce, black vinegar, hot sauce, and ginger. Wow, this is so yummy. Look at this crispiness. Look at the color. And let's cut it. Nice. Wow, delish. Dip it in the sauce. Nice. Wow. So full of flavor. Oh, this is perfect. Yummy. It's so good, really, guys. I can finish all this. What? Tastes like store-bought pot stickers. Trust me, so good. And now let's do the boiled one. Let's add the dumpling. Let's cook out the dumpling. Wow. Look at this beauty of my homemade dumpling. Now I just transfer in the bowl. And let's make sauce for the dumpling. A teaspoon of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of black vinegar, and the hot sauce. Wow, this is gonna be spicy delicious. And some sugar. Try. Oh gosh. It's so good. And I have here some spring onions. Let's drizzle the sauce in it. Wow, yummy. Oh my gosh. Nice. Check that out. Look at the sauce inside. Ooh, it's spicy delicious. Check this out. Oh god, let me try it. Wow. Look at inside. So rich, so delicious, so meaty. Gosh, this is so good. Delicious. This one is a keeper, guys. Can't wait to share this with you.